Let's try these 3 products from Oulac Glowing Glam Kit. First, let's try this cream eyeshadow, Oulac cream eyeshadow in shade Vibrancy. Look at the shine. So pretty. So this is Vibrancy. Now this Oulac Blush Mono in shade number 6, Dance With Me. Look how pretty. So gorgeous. Oh, this is so pigmented. So little goes a long way. I literally tap very gently and look at the pigment. This is shade Dance With Me. And now this Oulac Crystal Shine Gloss in shade Pink Glam. I must say Oulac products are so good and literally very pigmented. I have tried so many products of Oulac. These are literally affordable and quality is great. Look at that. I don't know why Oulac products are so underrated and nobody talks about that. So this is Oulac Crystal Shine Gloss in Pink Glam. Here are all 3 Oulac products which you will get in one glowing glam kit for only $19.50. Yes, 3 products for $19.50. I will put link in description. Do check it out and do check out their other products as well. Guys, trust me, this brand is so good and affordable. I am loving it.